7 days, $500, $0 spent. Every cent came from free AI tools anyone can access right now. And before you roll your eyes, no, this is not a course pitch. I'm not selling you anything. I'm going to show you exactly what I did, how long it took, and how much each method paid. Real numbers, real methods, real results. 3 methods. Fiverr copywriting, $180. Etsy digital products, $220. Upwork research, $100. $500 total. Every tool has a free tier, no credit card required. Let's get into it. Method 1. Fiverr copywriting. Fiverr buyers pay for email sequences, product descriptions, and sales copy. They don't care how you write it, just that it's good and delivered fast. AI makes both effortless. I use ChatGPT's free tier and Claude's free tier. 2 gigs, 5 product descriptions for $25, and a 3 email welcome sequence for $45. When an order came in, I prompted ChatGPT with the client's details, edited the output, and delivered. About 20 minutes per order. 9 orders by day 7, 180 revenue, about $144 after fees. Roughly 3 hours of work. That's $60 an hour using a free chatbot. You don't need to be a copywriter. You just need to be the editor. Method 2. Etsy digital products. Printable planners, budget trackers, templates, some of Etsy's top sellers. You make them once and sell forever. I used Canva's free plan and ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT for high-demand printable ideas, picked 3 products, designed each in Canva in about 45 minutes, and listed them at $7.99. ChatGPT wrote my SEO titles and descriptions. 28 sales across 3 products, $220 in revenue. Setup time 4 hours, fulfillment time per order, 0. Automatic digital delivery, the closest thing to passive income I've ever seen. Method 3. Upwork research. Clients constantly need articles summarized and topics compiled into clean reports. AI does this best. I use ChatGPT, Claude.ai, and Perplexity AI, all free. I applied to 5 research assistant gigs on Upwork, got hired, used Perplexity for real-time research, and fed results into ChatGPT for a polished summary. 1 to 2 hours per project. 3 projects, $40, $35, and $25. $100 total. About 4 hours of work. The easiest method to start, no portfolio, no design skills needed. Recap. 180 plus 220 plus 100 equals $500 in 7 days using tools that cost nothing. Week 1 was the hardest. By week 3, it felt like a system. Now, what happens when you invest just $50 a month? ChatGPT Plus at $20, Canva Pro at $15. With better tools, you work twice as fast, create products that stand out, and take Upwork jobs paying $50 to $100 an hour. People doing this full-time earn $3,000 to $5,000 a month. That's not a promise, it's a proven path. Start free, prove the model, then invest. Subscribe so you don't miss month 2 of this experiment. Drop a comment. Which method are you trying first? Fiverr, Etsy, or Upwork? The free prompt pack with all my exact prompts is linked in the description. No email required, no strings attached. Let's get to work.